Hi folks, this is Darren with My RV Works. We're at Whiskey Creek RV Park, one of our favorite places to go and work. And it's because of that view right there and these waves. How are you supposed to get any work done with these? I could just hear them, listen. Waves crashing onto the shore. It's just so noisy. How are you supposed to work? And then right over there, there's like this little pond and these bullfrogs are just going crazy. And I thought they were going to be in the video, but all of a sudden they just abruptly stopped. And I saw an eagle flying over earlier, so it's beautiful. Very distracting. We're here to work on an RV, folks. We've got a Prevost RV, and I've already diagnosed a problem, but this will be a really short video because what has happened here, I never want to happen to you. It turns out this is going to be an extremely expensive repair. I'm talking $10,000 repair. All because of something very simple that I want every single one of you guys to go out there and fix yourself, okay? The customer states that his inverters dropped out, that there's no inverters. And like I said, I've already diagnosed a problem, so we're gonna keep this video really short, but let me show you what the problem is. So I'm gonna take you on a little walkabout, I'm gonna carry you around, but again, the customer states the inverters don't work. Now I say inverters because this coach has two big, giant, huge inverters, bigger than a boot box. So okay, so right in here, those are the inverters, plural, and you can see that they're both very large inverters. And there's a screen on the front of them that is totally dead. And now this system is a 24-volt system. Most of your RVs out there, you're going to have the 12-volt system. This coach uses 24 volts. So let's now walk around to where the batteries are. You can enjoy that view. So here we have the battery bay. From what I understand, that's $10,000 in batteries. And if we get in a little closer, I want to point out a few things. We have melting going on right here. Hold on, let me zoom you in on that. Okay, we have melting going on here, melting going on here. And also, I don't know if you're going to be able to make it out, but all of the plus, like look at this guy right here, he's kind of crooked. All of the plus posts are all swollen and bulging. Okay, now here it is. That whole purpose of that, I'm going to take off a cap right here. We're going to look inside. I'll look inside. It's dark in there, but I can tell you, I looked at my flashlight, every single one of these batteries is bone dry, folks. Bone dry. So the moral of the story, the reason he has no inverter, which was the reason he called us out here, is because the batteries consumed all the water. All he had to do was buy a $1.50 jug of gallon water, and every quarter or every month, just make sure that you put water in your batteries, and would have had not any problems here. But because the battery, every one of those battery cells is bone dry, that caused damage to the batteries. So customer states a couple years ago he paid $10,000 for all those batteries. So he's got to buy new batteries again, folks, all because no water was put in them. Please check the water in your batteries to avoid this type of a service call. So that is so pretty over there. That's Canada on the far side, the Strait of Juan de Fuca. Like I said, earlier I saw an eagle flying over, and we got some whitecaps I can see way over there. But anyway, so I'm going to shut the video down. If this was value, look, do yourself a favor. If you've got batteries, go check the water. I don't want you guys to have to buy batteries just because water wasn't put in them. And when I say water, it's distilled water only, please. Go to the baby aisle in the grocery store and get a gallon of distilled water. So if it was helpful, thumb it up. If you've got any questions, you could find us on Patreon. And that's where I'm answering all the questions, is on Patreon now. And yeah, thumb it up, subscribe. Happy camper, say My RV Works. This is Darren signing off.